Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. Today we are going to make sizzling brownie or sizzler brownie. It is very easy to make, guys, just that you have to prepare the brownie and ice cream and the sauce. After that, it just takes 5 minutes to prepare. A perfect recipe to impress. So let's begin. Let's begin the recipe, guys. The first step is to heat up a kadhai or a pan, and in this pan we will add butter. Here I am using about 1 tablespoon of butter. Along with the butter we will also add 200 grams of chocolate. You can use compound chocolate or real chocolate, totally up to you. Now we will add the cream to it. Here I am using 200 ml of fresh cream, basically 1 packet of Amul fresh cream. Shake it really well and then add it. I have broken the chocolate into smaller pieces, or rather chopped it into smaller cubes. What that will do is it will ensure it gets melted very quickly. Now after adding the cream, we will make sure the flame is very low and then start stirring it continuously. It will just take about 2 minutes or so, and after 2 minutes our chocolate ganache will be ready, or rather chocolate sauce will be ready for our sizzling brownie. As you can notice right now, it looks delicious, isn't it? Not just delicious, very delicious, guys. So our chocolate sauce is ready. Now we will keep it aside and prepare the sizzling tray. Here you can see I have the sizzler plate. I will just use the plate right now and keep this in high heat. It will take about 5 minutes or so for it to heat up. As you can see right now, this has started smoking, so our sizzler tray is ready. Now what we will do is, in the wooden base we will apply some butter. This will ensure we get even more sizzler effect, but it is totally optional. Here I have placed the sizzler tray. Now we will make the sizzling brownie. So here I am taking a small piece of the brownie and then I am crushing it into crumbs. I had kept this small brownie piece in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. That ensured it get really firm. After that it gets very easy to crumb it. You can see the powder is ready. Now we will place it in the sizzler tray. What this will do is, it will prevent the brownie from burning. Here I am placing it in the center area. After that we will place the brownie pieces. You can watch my video for brownie. Here I am linking it in the iCard. I have made this brownie in the cooker. After placing the brownie pieces, we will place the ice cream scoops. 2 or 3, totally up to you. You can watch my 25-minute ice cream recipe to see how it is made. So here I have a little bit of the chocolate sauce in a piping bag so that I can decorate it. You can make any swirl or any design that you like over the ice cream. I will also sprinkle a little bit of walnuts. Sizzling brownie is ready. Just before serving, add the sauce in the sides. Here you can see it has started sizzling. Doesn't that look great? Our sizzling brownie is ready and that looks sensational, isn't it? If you have the ice cream and the brownie ready, making sizzling brownie is just a 5-minute task. So try it out and share with me how it goes for you. Prepare everything and then you can have your perfect sizzling brownie anytime you want. The reason I am saying that is because you can prepare brownies and keep it for 7 days. You can prepare ice cream, keep it for a month. You can prepare the sauce, keep it for a week. So that clearly means you can just prepare everything and then enjoy whenever you want. Try it out, share with me how it goes for you. I hope to see you in my next video. Until next time, make sure to click the subscribe button and ring the bell icon beside it so that your phone rings every time I upload a new video. Bye for now. Take care. Happy cooking.